The chapter we are going to start today is Relations and Functions, which is chapter number 1 of 12th class. Topics included in relation and function is introduction, that is what is said and all that. Then types of relation, questions, types of function, questions. These are exercises of NCRT only. Today we will be covering only till introduction and types of relation. The NCRT exercise 1 will be covered in the next. So the first topic we are going to study is introduction to relation. Definition of introduction of relation is that relations are recognizable connection between two or more quantities. It is represented as curly braces A, comma B, either a colon or a slash relation between A to B. You have to specify the relation. Example, A, comma B. A is the brother, sister, mother and father of B. Let's take an example. Let's say this is A and this is B. They have a relation between them. A is the sister of B. Then we will write the relation as R is equal to curly braces bracket A, comma B, bracket close. Either this, you can either put a colon or you can put a simple slash, a straight line. E is the handwriting is the sister of B, then curly braces close. This is how it will be represented. The next topic is types of relations. First is empty relation if no element of A is related to any element of A. That is relation is equal to phi. Second is universal relation. All element of A are related to every element of A. R is equal to A cross A. Reflexive relation. Both elements belong to A. Symmetric opposite ordered pair also belongs to the same set. Transitive is A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then A comma C also must belong to R. Equivalence, if a relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, it is called. Now let's see some example. First, we will see empty relation. Let's say this is 1, 2. This is 7, 9. There is no possible relation between any of these. No relation can be formed. So this would be a null relation where R equals to phi. Then Then the second type of relation we have is a universal relation. Universal relation where every element of A, like take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's say is equal to A, comma B, where B is equal to A plus 3. I'm sorry, that should be 3 plus 3. Curly braces close. Now, as we can see, 1 is relates to 4, 2 relates to 5, and 3 relates to 6. So this is an universal relation between all elements are related to the other elements of the other set or to the same set. Next, next we have reflexive relation. The main relations start from here. If both element relation if both element belong to A, like take A is equal to let's just say this is A. So A contains the following elements: 1, 2, 3, and R contains around 2. So this is a reflexive relation between because every element present in this relation, that is 1 and 2, is also present in A. And the next we have is a symmetric relation in which the order. So let's take the same example, and now the sum R will change and become R is equal to, for example, let's say 1, comma 1. If you change the order here, then it will return to 1, comma 1 only. So no effect is done. But for it to be transited, if there is an suppose 1, comma 2, then if there is an element 1, comma 2, then you also need to have an element named 2, comma 1 as an ordered pair. It's basically the change of order, that is, this will come here and this will go here. That's what an opposite of a relation is. Now it's time for transitive is not transitive. Let's say this timer R is 1, comma 1, and it is, oh, let's say 1, comma 2. Then we are taking 2, comma 3. For this to be transitive, it also requires another relation that consists of the first one here, 1, and this one, the last one here, 3. Exclude the common elements here. So the third element, would be 1, comma 3. Mm, And if a relation is all reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then it would be called as a equivalence relation. Equivalence relation is a high marking question in CBSE. It is nearly always asked that find the equivalence class of this relation if a particular set is given.